Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial we're going to be learning how to create this flyer design. So for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, I say a big thank you to you for staying true on my channel and watching my videos. And those that are watching my video for the first time, please go to the subscription button right now and hit the subscription button. I'll give you 5 seconds for that. Alright, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So now, without wasting further time, let's get into this design. Alright guys, so we're back. Now, first thing to note is, like I said in my previous video, is to know the size. So if you want to know the size, you click on either this fourth option here and click on image size. It shows up the image size, or you head to these 3 dots up here and image size, either of the two. So now for the size for this image is 1:1. So if you click on 1:1, it brings out the size. So now first thing to do is first thing in this design is the background. So one thing I did was I brought in a shape. Let me undo this and change it to a default color. I brought in a shape. You click on shapes. You bring out the shape, then you try to adjust it to the canvas of the design, not the full, but you can allow it to be the full either way you want it, but I prefer it not to be full. So I'll head over to gradient and click on this plus sign. I mentioned this in my previous video. If you want to change edit gradient color, it's very easy. You start with this top one here, and this top color here, click on this and click on this pencil icon. This is the color code FF4903. So you type it in this color code and you click on this 4903 and you click on the straight button. It automatically changes the color. So I click on OK and OK, and I'll get to this other one here and click on this button and this pencil icon the same way with different color code. Now the color code for this is FFAD2C. So click this, insert this to change the color code to this, so we make sure it's the same color. So you click on OK and OK. Now for this gradient, I'll be using this second gradient style. This over here. I'll click on OK. So I automatically edit my gradient. So after doing this, I added these 2 elements. These 2. So if you want to create this shape, this is very easy. All you have to do is let me edit this. Is to click on this bezier tool. Once you click on this bezier tool, it brings out like a curved line. So that's where you start editing. So I click on this second option here and I click on this third option and I drag it over here and I start editing. So just watch the way I do it. So just like this, up here, and I'll click on this first button. This first one tries to add more options for you. So if I click here, it's added more curved line. So I can edit this and edit this. So I'll reduce the stroke width to around 1 and click on this first button. So I try to add more. So I try to add more points to it. And I'll click on this second option below here. So what we'll do is just make sure I don't see all those points. Make sure those points don't show out. So here we are good to go. So what next thing is just to increase this opacity, and then remove the stroke width and we'll go straight to the color. Go straight to color. Click on gradient and click on this. So if you click on this, you click on like we've done in the previous how to edit gradient. So you click on this first one and you insert, click on this pencil and you insert this color code FF5F00. Click on this and OK. Click on the last option and same method, same step. F903. Click on this, click on OK, click on this. So I'm going to be using this. We're going to be using this fourth graphic style and gradient style here. After clicking on anything, drag this lower part here, drag it down to the left hand corner. Click on OK. So it automatically created it. So if it shows something like this, you just try to resize it to the size of the image of the design. So once I've done this, you can, and you want to create the other option, you just copy it, drag it down, and click on edit, click on the color, and click on white. So then you can change it to white and just bring it down like this, and just bring it down like this. So there you have it. So you just need to just adjust it. So it's all about that. So we've talked about these two, and we'll start bringing in these images. So start bringing in these images. So you start bringing, the first one is this burger, should be in front, then followed by this shawarma PNG, which will head to your right hand corner, so your left hand corner, and the Pepsi will stay at, sorry, the Coca-Cola will stay at the center, while the other Coke bottle stays close to the right hand, and finally this McDonald's chips will stay at it. So you've done this, click on this, let's do some adjustments. So there we have it. So now we can bring in our, okay, let's add this. This is part of the design, the background, so just scale it through, undo, we just scale it through and increase it over here and place it to reduce the, let's change the color to this and to this, and reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to about 10%. So make sure this is behind these two. Oops. Make sure it's behind these two. So, and also make sure you lock it. Now finally, the final element we'll be adding is the text. Click on tasty meal. Okay, tasty meals. Click on OK. Click on size should be about 88, and then align it to the center. Then the font we used was Milky Rainbow. To this, we head over to the line spacing, and this line spacing to 29 minus 29. Now the color for this is, click on color, click on this is the color, and the color code is FFC107. That's the color code. So let's align this. So let's head over to shadow, click on shadow, reduce this, and the opacity goes to 20. Radius goes to 9.5, and perfect offset X 5, offset Y 5. Go to inner shadow, click on this, drag this to the side, and radius is 3. Increase the offset X to about 4. Let's reduce this. Okay. Finally, click on 3D text. Click on this, on the second option oblique, and let's change the rotation to about, rotation should be about 276, 267, and we'll head over to the depth and reduce the depth to about 2. We'll go to the color and set a new color to it. Color is FD3503. Click this and okay. So you want to darken color, and you are good to go. Let's align this to the center. Okay, let's bring this down. Now let's take this tasty text to behind all the other text. There you have it. And finally, we'll just add in some few texts. So please just watch as I add them. I want to be adding another text to this, which is the order now at sparkle fruits of ng. So I've added the text. So click on background. Let's switch to gradient we use for the background here. So use it here. So let's increase this padding to about 15, and the right also 15, and radius should be this, and we can reduce it and place it. Let's reduce. Let's go head over to the line spacing and use the line spacing, and then reduce it once again. So let's just align this in the same position with this. So let's just make all this go up a bit, even this. There. And take this up, and finally this one too. So we are almost done. So finally we're going to be adding just a stroke to this design here. So let's put this at the center. Let's remove the color. So we just have to remove everything. Remove the color, and remove the shadow, remove the inner shadow, and this also. Now we're going to show up. Click on stroke, enable the stroke, and we head to white. Change the stroke to white and reduce it to 1. So this is what we do. Place this on this. So it kind of shows what is behind the text, behind this image. So we have successfully created this design. So thank you for watching. So please, like I said earlier, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please take 5 seconds to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.